Unit 2, that is The Little Busy Bee. And the poet of this poem is Isaac Watts. Busy Bee. First, let us discuss or know about the poet. Isaac Watts was born on July 17th, 1674. He had mastered in Latin, Greek, Hebrew and French. Isaac Watts became one of the world's most prolific. A prolific means creative hymn writer. The first hymn book composed by Isaac Watts for children was Holy Literacy, and his popular means well liked hymns. Okay, his popular hymns are O God, or Help in Ages Past, the Psalms of David and Jesus Shall Reign. These were the famous these were the Isaac Watts popular hymns. He died on November 25th, 1748. Children, in this poem, the poet tells us about the busy bee, that the bee is always busy. It builds the hive very skillfully and stores sweet honey in it. Like the bee, the poet says that we too must be busy and always do useful work. Let me read the poem once, children. How doth the little busy bee improve each shining hour, and gather honey all the day from every opening flower. How skillfully she builds her cell, how neatly she spreads her wax, and labors hard to store it well with the sweet food she makes. In work of labor or of skill, I would be busy too. For Satan finds some mischief still for idle hands to do. In books or work or healthful play, let my first years be passed, that I may give for every day some good account at last. Glossaries of this poem. Doth. Doth means it is the old form of does. Next, improve. Improve means make good use of. Shining means bright. Gather, it means collect. Skillful means clever. Cell, a small compartment in the hive. Satan, evil spirit or king of devils. Next, mischief, injury or damage. Idle means doing nothing. Next, first years means early years, boyhood. Next, give account. Give account means say what you have done. The last one is at last. It means at the end of life. These are the glossaries of this poem. Now let's move on to the explanation of the poem according to the para. And this is your first para. How doth the little busy bee improve each shining hour, and gather honey all the day from every opening flower. Here the poet says that the bee is always busy in working, and it also utilizes every shining hour. Means the bee here, it always be working and it also utilizes every shining hour. The hard working bee makes good use of time. Okay, it uses its time in a very good way. It always works hard. The bee, it always works hard. It collects honey from flowers every day. Okay, here the bee, it always collects honey from the flowers every day. The next para. Skillfully she builds her cell. How neatly she spreads her wax and labors hard to store it well with the sweet food she makes. Here, bees builds its hive or cell very skillfully, means it builds its cell or hive very cleverly, and it constructs each cell of the hive with wax, means it spreads its wax very neatly and works very hard to store it with the sweet food she makes. Here sweet food is nothing but honey. Okay, here the bee, it builds her cell very skillfully, means very cleverly, and it also spreads its wax very neatly and it works very hard to store it with the sweet food she makes, means honey. Next para. In work of labor or of skill, I would be busy too. For Satan finds some mischief still for idle hands to do. Here the poet says that he also wants to be busy like the busy bee in work of labor or of skill. The poet also wants to be like the busy bee. Even he wants to work hard like the busy bee, very skillfully or cleverly. An old proverb says, an idle mind is a devil's workshop. It is an old proverb. Here the poet says we have to work hard, otherwise Satan means evil spirit or king of devils. Okay, here if we don't work very hard, the Satan, he misleads an idle. Idle means it's nothing but doing nothing or a lazy person. Okay, if we don't work very hard, Satan misleads an idle to do some mischief. To do some mischief. Mischief means injury or damage. So we should also be busy like a busy bee. We should always work hard like a bee. We should work very skillfully or cleverly like a busy bee. If we don't work hard, Satan, he misleads an idle person to do some mischief works. Now let's move on to the last para. In books or work or healthful play, let my first years be past, that I may give for every day some good account at last. Here the poet wishes, means he wants to spend his early years in a very profitable manner. He wants to spend his boyhood days by reading books, hard working on healthy activities every day. Spending the time in this fruitful way will help the poet to make a good account of himself, means here he likes to make each passing hour a useful one. So at the end he can, means the poet can give a good account of himself. He can confidently say that he had utilized the time fruitfully and not wasted it in useless activities. Dear children, here we have completed the poem and I hope you people have understood the poem. Now let's move on to your homework part, home assignment. Dear children, you should understand the poem, means you should go through the video, understand the poem and then you should do your homework. And the homework, answer the following questions. In that first, who is the poet speaking about? And the next question is, why does the bee sit on the flower? And the next question, how does the bee build her cell? Fourth one, I would be busy too. Who does I refer to here? I would be busy too. It comes here, this line, it comes in the para, third para, second line. Okay, I would be busy too. Who does I refer to in this line? You should answer it. What does sweet food mean in the context? Okay, and next, the last question is, what does Saturn manage to work through? Okay, these are all the questions. You should do this, answer the following questions as your homework. Go through the video, understand the poem, and then do your homeworks. Thank you, children.